right, welcome to Real Talk, when we stop being nice and we start getting real.
I love that throwback,
Right,
by the way.
right.
All right, so as many of you know, we asked a bunch of questions not so long ago about what is on your mind and what you need to get dressed for. And we heard overwhelmingly that you are traveling this summer and you do not know what to wear.
Let's start literally from the top.
Perfect.
Okay, first one, great basic white tee.
Everybody needs one, super versatile, wear it with any bottom you pack, and hot tip, forget your pajamas, this comes through in a pinch.
Another white tee, but a tank.
Love this one for a little bit less coverage, also really great as a layer underneath some of your other pieces.
Yeah. Speaking of layers, amazing open weave, beachy sweater, cool nights, little bit of coverage when you're walking through and strolling all those stores. Great little basic.
Throw it over your shoulder, also really great.
All right, now we're gonna break it down whether you're going domestic or internationally, some really fun pieces that will be great in each suitcase.
Shorts. I'm just picking a short that's a little more dressed up. The secret sauce in both of these though, tons of stretch, and I love that you have a belt with yours.
Just something if you need it elevated a little bit, you're headed out for dinner, you wanna be more pulled together, that belt is gonna create shape and also make you look polished.
Fantastic. This is so fun, it's like a reveal.
I know,
Ah!
hi!
Okay, so I'm picking a lightweight open weave sweater. This acts like a simple tank, but I think just turns up the volume a little bit more. I love the idea of pairing this back to that great chino short or back to that fun beachy pant.
Oh,
how about
beautiful.
you?
All right, great little core basic tank and super lightweight for any of that heat you're gonna.
And this is our best-selling tank from May, back in a new stripe.
What about some coverage?
Many a day, you have a little bit too much sun on the shoulders. You need something that gives you a little bit more coverage.
This tee is telling you you're sun-kissed. Playful graphic, but again, getting that comfortability in that knit.
And then grabbing this from Pistola, a really fun striped button down. Now I would wear this buttoned up or layer that tank underneath, leave it open, almost like a lightweight jacket.
Yeah, actually
so
this would be a
cute.
great fun little beach cover-up too.
Oh, it'd be
Just
so
like
cute.
grab it, so
Yep.
chic.
Okay, you can't travel without a dress.
This is a new Everease silhouette, easy breezy, bra friendly, 2 colors, classic black, can take you all the places.
Good black dress or a dark dress in general for travel is so important. Doesn't show any stains or wrinkles. I love this from Michael Stars. It's a woven but easy breezy, so perfect for a hot day.
Now for something a little bit more elevated, that great go-to dress.
This dress is fantastic. One of the reasons I love it, dress it up, dress it down, super breezy. I'm adding a belt to
fun.
this so you can kind of mix and match your look a little bit. Waist detail, and again, light as air, gang, so no matter how hot it is, it's a no-brainer.
Super similar with this amazing Evereve dress, loving this in the chambray color, great ruching and smocking, so it just gives with you no matter what you're doing. Easy breezy, throw a layer over the top if you need to, but this is going to be a winner. Last but not least, let's talk about accessories. Everyone needs a great hat.
They do.
Okay, so domestically, here in the States, I love a great trucker hat. Here in the States, Route 66.
Oh my God. Okay, so I'm gonna pack something that is, no joke, a packable hat. Crush it, throw it in your bag. It doesn't get destroyed, but always looks so chic and put together. How fun
So
is that,
cute.
right? I know. And I'm not even a hat girl, but I'm gonna wear this
You
one.
should be a
I
hat
know,
girl. You
it's
look
fun.
great. Keep your hats neutral because then it goes with every single look.
I love that. Okay, now let's talk about footwear.
This summer, it's all about fashion meets function.
Yep.
Great. Birkenstock does all the things. Fun little sneaker so you can walk all the places.
I love both of these because they're so easy to walk in, and also for that plain, I don't like my toes exposed, so having a great sneaker that is functional and fashionable is so fun.
Crew, can you take us with you?
Please,
Please.
please take us with you.
All right.
Have a great trip. Hope this gave you some good ideas. A little more real talk, and we'll see you next time.
Travel safe.